I'll give you a tour. You're gonna love it here. From the north to the south.
Welcome back. Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man? I see the girls in the club, they're getting wild for me. And all the pretty chicks all wanna smile at me. These rap cats, man, they all got this style for me. And if I ever see them, man, they probably bow to me. And when this beat...
Hey guys, it's Fonz, and today I'm back with another video. And as you can see, sweetie, what? I play too much. But today I'm here with another video on this hair right here. Hair review. This is gonna be my birthday hair, September 6th. Where are you at? You know, I want to thank God for allowing me to go bald, because it wasn't it? I want to thank God for giving me this opportunity to go bald, because it gave me the ability to make wigs, to learn, and to be so good at it, because your girl make all her wigs herself. She just buy the bundles from online. So I want to share this wig review with you right here. I'm serving it. I'm serving y'all. Yes. So guys, I just love this hair so much. I'm sorry. So when the hair came, it came in a package, and it was just in this beautiful red and white box. It just said Mila 100% virgin hair. This box is so cute. So when I open the box, as you can see, it had the hair in it, the 3 bundles, and a closure with 2 lashes. Thank you. I can always take donation to my lashes. Thank you. As you can see, I'm not wearing lashes right now. Sweetie, you don't hook it up. So yeah, guys, I love this hair. Like, no. It got me giving you a black Barbie vibes. Like, I'm a Barbie. Like what? A snack? A Barbie snack? And literally, it came in 2 days. 2 days shipping, Amazon, and that's why I let you come fast. I was so shocked. I didn't even know what I received, because I'm like, what did I order this time? I didn't know it was gonna come that fast. But it did that. You can do it, okay? You came way before my birthday. I wasn't expecting you this soon, but who does that? Okay. This is a wig I made myself. So yes, this hair, I love it. It is so soft, and I bought it for my birthday. I'm gonna give you all the details you'll need. I have my phone right here. So I bought it off Amazon. Lately I've been buying all my hair off Amazon. Look at these curls. Like when I first saw it out the packet, I was like, oh, I'm scared. But what I did was like, took it out the bundles. I didn't wash it. I just run it under my sink, and I brush it with my big tooth comb, and boom, this is the curls. Then I went ahead and bleached the knots on the frontal. Set it down for what, 15 minutes. I never keep up with it. 15 minutes, bleached it, washed it out, and then put on my mannequin hair. Let me show you my baby. You know I be putting in work on her. Look at her hair is all type of colors. Lord Jesus, it's a fire, girl. I love you. Okay, yeah, we went there. But yeah, it is so gorgeous. Like, this hair is super soft, it's big, it's full. So it came with 3 bundles and a closure. I believe it was 16, 18, and 20 inch with a 14-inch closure. So this hair is Brazilian curly. I will also have the link down below if you want it. It was only $106. $106 for me to go like snatch you a snack. And I put the closure on my mannequin, went ahead and tweezed and get the naturalness going. And then I went ahead, let me show you how I make my wig cap. So how I make my wig cap is I buy this cap from the beauty supply. This is exactly my hair size. So it's the spandex dome style for wigs. I buy that, I place it on my mannequin head, and nobody got time to sew a wig, so I do quick wig. So I take my needle and thread, and I sew my closure in the middle of the hair first. So after I sew my closure on the middle of my hair, then I take my glue gun and just glue the rest on. It's very easy to make my quick wig. It only took me like, I would say 40 minutes, including me bleaching my knots and washing it and all that. So yeah, all I did was pour water on his hair and comb it out. Like, look at it, y'all. I look like Black Barbie. I want to say thank you to my family and my friends. Even though I have a handful, Lord Jesus, I want to say thank you to them. Because me and my bitches are snack chewing snacks. And I cannot wait for my birthday. Because I'm going to look more like a snack chewing snack. So I can't wait. And yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is this me? Because I be forgetting I'm bald, but like, wait, bitch, what the fuck? You look like a motherfucking snack chewing snack. Like, y'all, I need y'all to rate this hair down below. Let me know what you think about this hair. Remember, don't forget the link is down below. 3 bundles, and all is in here except for this much. That's it. All is in here except for this much. And all it is so after I brush through it, there's no shedding. No shedding, but I'm pretty sure it'll be shedding if I bleach it. I never bleach or dye my hair, so we don't have to cover. Look, it's like barely any shedding in this hair. It feels so good. And it's just $100 for you, boo. So if you know how to make wigs, this is it, sweetie. This is how you want to take your man. No, seriously, when I talk about taking men, don't go out there trying to take your man. If no one said take your man, don't take your man, find your own man. I just like saying it. I don't mean do it, okay? Buy this hair, huh? You'll be a new person. After I buy this hair, I forgot American accent. I'm straight African booty scratcher. Let me scratch your ass, cause look at me. What? Oh, this is not real competition, bitch. You look like dirt. Okay, we look alike, so we both look like dirt, but with some cute dirt, bitch. Oh, it's snack joints, like what the fuck? Oh. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this hair. Let me know if you want more wig reviews, because I make wigs all the time. And when you see, I don't want to be shocked like, oh, where you got that hair from? It's never like I'm buying wigs now. I'm making my own wigs because I just want to get better and better and better, and I would just go up here like. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair review. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.